Imagine a system where a millionaire who pays for everything in cash is considered high risk. But a broke guy drowning in $50,000 of credit card debt is considered a model citizen. You've been lied to your entire life. You were told that your credit score is a measure of your financial health. It's not. It is an obedience meter, a hidden algorithm designed by private data cartels to ensure you stay in debt forever. Welcome to the Great Credit Score Scam. Most Americans think the credit score has been around since the founding of the country. Here is the shocking truth. The FICO credit score was only invented in 1989. Before 1989, if you wanted a house, you sat down with a human banker. They looked at your job, your savings, and your character. But Wall Street needed something faster. They needed an algorithm to mass-produce debt. So, 3 private, unelected corporations, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, were handed the keys to your entire financial life. Here is the ultimate proof that the system is rigged. What happens if you do the responsible thing? What if you pay off your car loan, pay off your student debt, and cancel your credit cards to live debt-free? Your credit score plummets. Read that again. If you don't owe the banks money, they lower your score. They punish you for financial freedom. They don't want you rich. They want you profitable. They need you to be just broke enough to make minimum monthly payments for the rest of your life. The ultra-wealthy? They don't even play this game. They use asset-backed loans and private wealth networks. The credit score is an invisible cage built specifically for the middle class, turning your daily life into a highly profitable, lifelong subscription service for Wall Street. It's time to stop playing their game blindly. If you want to understand how the real economy works and protect your family's future, hit the subscribe button. Welcome to Econ Insight.